BCF has a wide range of XTM awnings, whether you're looking for something that goes straight out or a 270-degree awning just like this one, dependent on your vehicle. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to install them and then how to set them up. There's a range of different sizes in these straight awnings. This is the 2 by 2.5 meter. The awning comes with ropes, pegs, bolts and right angle brackets if you need them. Awnings generally go on the roof rack but differ depending on your setup. The bolts simply slide into the channels provided and you'll need a 10mm to tighten the nuts. Lift the awning up to the position and then you can secure the 4 bolts. Mounting the 270-degree awning is much the same, however there's 3 brackets to ensure extra strength is given to secure it properly. Just like the straight awning, simply slide your bolts into the 2 channels and then secure the awning to your brackets which are on your car. Now it's all installed, let's take a look at setting up the awning. Undo the 3 Velcro straps and the canvas will roll down. Now this is the easy part. Walk your awning out and you can see it starting to take shape. Supply it as a strap to put tension on the awning, making it nice and tight. There's 4 legs to fold down and you can use the ropes provided to secure it to the ground. The awning is UPF 50 plus to keep the sun out and has a 1500mm water rating. It stretches 2.5 meters out from the vehicle, which means there's heaps of room to sit, cook or put your swags. Packing up is also super easy. Roll the canvas up and secure with those Velcro straps. The bag is a generous size, so it's easy to zip up. The straight out awning is also quick to set up and pack down. It's perfect for a beach day or to camp under. The straight awnings are generally for utes, whilst it's the 270 for wagons and cars with canopies. This awning has 2 legs that fold down and ropes to secure it. You can also purchase side walls to provide privacy and protection from the elements. All XTM awnings are made from tough material and are truly a must-have item for your car. So jump online or head into your local BCF store today.